Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today's video on how to make rice cream face, which is definitely anti-aging and skin whitening. So if you don't know how to make this, just keep watching. So first I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of rice and I'm gonna put them in a bowl. Next, I'm gonna add 3 cups of water in order to wash this rice from pesticides, which are definitely not good for your face and skin. You can repeat the process twice if you want. So this is the rice after the wash. Then I'm gonna put it in a cooking pot and I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. Then I'm gonna put this on the stove on low heat and I'm gonna cook this. Keep mixing and stirring while cooking. And this is what you get at the end. It's supposed to look mashy like this. And when it's cooked, you can start straining it. So I'm gonna take these 2 tablespoons of rice and I'm gonna put them in a strainer and I'm gonna strain them. So I'm gonna keep pressing with my spoon in order to get the juice from the rice just cooked. It's gonna look like some sort of slime, but trust me, it has a lot of benefits for your face, so it's really worth it. So this is how much we get from those 2 tablespoons. Then I'm going to start adding other ingredients. First I'm going to add half teaspoon of cornstarch and then I'm going to mix it. The reason I'm adding cornstarch here is that I want this to become thick and creamy, just like any other face cream. After I mix this well, I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of licorice powder. You can use other ingredients instead of this one if you want, but I like licorice powder because it's very good for skin whitening. And I'm also gonna add the same amount of almond oil. You can use other oils if you like, but my face really loves almond oil. And I'm gonna make sure I mix this well. I want all these ingredients to combine and become one. And when I'm done with that, I'm basically done with the cream. So your cream is ready. I suggest you to apply this every night before going to bed. You should also keep this in fridge because in that way you're gonna prevent it from getting spoiled. You will see that this has a lot of benefits for your skin. So I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.